Hi everyone, this is Prashad, your English fluency guide. Welcome to our channel Prashadu Purnur. Today I am going to explain one important quote. My goal is not to be better than anyone else. My goal is to be better than I used to be. Okay, so I just don't want to compare myself with others. I just want to improve. I just want to be better than I used to be. Okay, I was just average in the past. I just want to be good. I'm good now. I just want to be better. I'm better now. I want to become the best. So here you are not comparing yourself with anyone. So my dear friends, if you want to become great at anything, start doing. First of all, don't waste your valuable time, don't waste your precious time. Plus just start doing it. Don't postpone your work for tomorrow. Don't postpone your greatness for tomorrow. Start doing it right now and concentrate on that thing. You need to concentrate. Concentration leads to success. And be regular. Okay, keep doing the same thing again and again and again. That will lead you to perfection. Okay, there is no other secret to success. You have to do the things perfectly. In order to do it perfectly, you need to concentrate. Okay, in order to concentrate, you have to be happy about yourself, right? You should not think negative. You should think positive all the time. You should be happy about your life. You should be grateful to your life. You should be grateful for everything you have in this world. You have to feel you're lucky before you become lucky. Unless you feel you are a lucky person, you will never be able to become a lucky person. Unless you feel you are great, you will never be able to become great. Unless you feel you have something good in you, you will never get something good from outside. So my dear friends, start feeling good, start feeling great all the time, start feeling great all the time. Start feeling you're lucky all the time and start smiling. Be happy and be grateful for everything you have, and concentrate on the what you do. Stop comparing yourself with others. Forget the world. Just concentrate on the thing you do. Stop thinking about the result. You will get the result. Definitely will get the result when you do the things perfectly, regularly, again and again. Definitely you will get the result. Sometimes you may not get the result you think you expect, but you need not be disappointed about it. It may take some time. It means you are not getting the proper result. That means you are not concentrating 100%. That's it. But improving, you are improving. You need to be happy about it. When you are feeling happy about yourself, definitely you will get the great result, no doubt about it. Right? So here uh, the important thing that we can learn from this quote is we should not compare ourselves with anyone in this world. Okay, just you are one. You are a special person in this world. You are talented. You have your own abilities. You know that nobody knows. So feel happy about yourself. Feel happy about your life. Feel happy about your skills, and don't stay in the same place. Try to go forward. Don't stay in the same place. By seeing the obstacles, by seeing the challenges, by seeing the problems, don't be afraid and don't go back. Move forward. Even if you improve 1%, that's really great thing. If you don't improve anything, you're standing in the same place, you're not moving forward, then you have to feel sad about it. But if you are improving even 1%, then that is the best thing you can do about yourself and about your life. So my dear friends, keep doing the thing you are doing and keep concentrating on that thing and feel happy about the result, and be grateful for the things you have in this world. Be grateful for your family and for your friends, for everything in this world. Then definitely you will achieve success. There is no other secret to success. Now I just want to tell you a few points about English. Be happy about the improvement. You are improving. You started learning English maybe 3 months back. So during these 3 months time, you are learning something, you are listening something, and you are reading something, and you are speaking something. That's really great improvement. But why do you feel sad about it? Because you are comparing your fluency with others fluency. Then the problem starts. Don't compare your fluency with others fluency. Just you are improving or not. Whether you are improving or not, that really matters. Okay, 3 months back you learned only 10 words, but now you know more than 300 words. For example, I am telling you. So something better than the past. So that your goal must be that you should be better than you used to be. So when you feel like this, definitely you will come up in life. And when you feel happy about your result, when you see the development, improvement, definitely you will be able to become a successful person in the world. Thank you all of you for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video from this channel. Thank you all of you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Until then, take care, bye.